Today, I'm going to show you how to block recommendations notifications in X.com, also known as Twitter, so you can stop those push alerts from showing up on your device. This is a quick setting change, but it can make a big difference if you want a quieter notification feed and fewer unnecessary alerts. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X.com and make sure you're signed into the account you want to change. Once you're on the home screen, look at the left navigation bar and click on More. This opens up the additional menu options for your account. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control most of the important account preferences for your X.com experience. After that, click on Notifications. This section includes the settings for the different types of alerts you receive from the platform. Next, click on Preferences. Inside Preferences, you'll find the options that control how and when notifications are delivered to you. Now click on Push Notifications. This is the section that manages the alerts that appear on your phone or device. Once you're inside Push Notification settings, look for Recommendations. You'll see a toggle next to it, and all you need to do is switch it off. As soon as you turn that off, you'll stop receiving recommendations notifications through push alerts. That's it. The setting is now disabled, and you're done. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of the channel for more quick X.com and Twitter tips.